Hi, I am Gianna Rossetti, the pet engineer. I grew up in São Paulo, Brazil, and my mother still lives there. She has 3 dogs, 6 cats, and 4 birds. One of her dogs, Gringo, this beautiful 8-year-old lab, was diagnosed with Lyme's disease. Greg and his wife Amy from Petgensys kindly sent me some joint muscle supplements, pain sprays and shampoos to try them on Gringo. I took their products to Brazil last December, and I treated Gringo with them. For the record, I stayed in Brazil for 2 months, and at the end of my trip, I could really see the difference on Gringo's mobility. See it for yourself. I personally endorse Petgensys products, and my personal gratitude to Greg and Amy.